Eksena.
Ayun, let's go. Meron na kami party sa Paris, production facility. And things are gonna go today. And then tomorrow we're going to taping. So for 3 weeks we're gonna be taping. I'm excited.
So yan daw ng weight na na-loss niya, no, ni Casey. Para sa iba yun.
Para sa lovers, para sa show. Siyempre, alam mo naman bilang artista, may mga requirements.
Very exciting, and I'm thankful sa ABS-CBN talaga na trinust nila kami, ako, for this project. And yun nga yung sinasabi ko na parang for me, parang ano na to eh, sobrang laking pasasalamat ko talaga sa Netflix.
Nag-start na yung taping nyo, Casey, ano masasabi mo bilang katrabaho si Piolo?
Okay siya, super very supportive, super very. So it's comfortable to work with me. Physically, nagpapapayat ako. At bonggang-bongga. And apart from that, syempre iniiba nila yung pagsalita ko, yung galaw ko, yung kilos ko. So, yun lahat yun, step by step, habang ginagawa natin yung shoot. Patuloy kami nagbabago.
Nagpapayat ka rin ba for Piolo or for this show?
Well, he's very fit. He's, very conscious about his, yung itsura niya. So, maganda for me.
At nang tanongin ng SNN kung posible bang magka-developan sina Piolo at Casey, ito ang makahulugan nilang naging pahayag.
Siya magiging tour guide ng grupo. He'll be our production manager. I don't know if we're gonna have a chance to go around, but I think we're gonna have to tape a lot of sequences as possible because ang dami namin i-tape eh. But of course, if we get a chance, sana makapasal.
1 month ba, tapos alam natin na romantic place yung Paris. May chance ba na pagbalik, kayo na?
It's hard to bring everything. Basta, what we're looking forward to is, doing what we have to do there. And, let's see what's happens.
Ba't daw magiging tour guide ka?
Nilang lahat. Gano'n naman ako pag sa Paris. Siyempre, pag mahal mo yung lugar, diba? May mga taong first time doon or masyadong alam. Siyempre, gusto kong pakita yung pinaka-best doon.
Kaya after ng Paris nyo, maging kayo na, magkatuloy na.